I got one. Yes! Yes! A surf perch, finally! Woo! I didn't get skunked. I got another one. Boom. I didn't even feel him. It's all about finding the spot, I guess. There it is, guys. It's a tiny one. I'm gonna go put him back in and see if I can get a bigger one. Alright guys, I only caught 2 small surf perch, as you saw. I was hoping for some bigger ones, but I thought I'd go ahead and show you the rig I was using. Starting with the line, I was using 10-pound mono, and then at the bottom I was using a 2-ounce flat lead sinker. And then if you come up from that about 1.5 feet or so, you come to my first hook, and I just used a dropper loop and a number 6 bait holder. And then coming up from that to my second hook, I just use another loop, dropper loop, with another number 6 bait holder. And on the bottom hook, I was using Gulp sandworms in the camo color, and those should be coming up about now. And mine came in the 6-inch lengths, but I pinched them down to about 2 inches. I don't know, you don't have to, but I did. And then coming up from that, on my second hook, the highest one, I was using Big Hammer motor oil grubs, the small ones. I think they're 1.5 inches or something. Anyway, those should be coming up now. And they didn't really want to hit that one. They only seemed to hit the Gulp sandworms. Alright guys, that's all I got for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here to the channel and haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, see ya.